Happy Independence Day. Today, we are celebrating the 74th year of independence. But are we truly independent? Liberation has no meaning if it is not fantastic. A country where crime against women is committed every 3 minutes, where women are not free. They are judged from anything they wear to everything they do. Where 65% of men believe that women should tolerate violence in order to keep the family together. And sometimes they deserve to be beaten. Where we worship the goddesses but are afraid to give birth to a girl child. A country where a woman is raped in every 20 minutes. Where 160 girls or women are trafficked against their will every single day. From infirmary to the grave, they are judged and they are not allowed to say no. क्योंकि ना बोलने पे या तो चेहरा जला दिया जाता है या बलात्कार कर झुलसा दिया जाता है, चुप करवा दिया जाता है. Where religion is a tool of politics, where people are afraid of the government, where minorities are lynched in public in the name of God. How can you say you are independent? Where love is discriminated and chained to the judgment of society, where being different is stigmatized, where LGBT has little or no respect in society, where Kama Sutra was originated but sex is taboo, where people have to think about society before making any of their personal choices. How can you say you're independent? Where corruption is the way of life, where caste is more important than talent, where media is paid, where every critic is labeled as anti-national and supporter as Sanghi. How can you say you're truly independent? We are a beautiful country of 1.3 billion people and home to every major religion of the world, where 80% are Hindus, but each religion is equally respectable. A country where 19,500 dialects or languages are spoken, yet we don't have single national language. With such a humongous population and mix of religions, yes, we are not the perfect, but the best example in the world of unity and diversity. We are the world's largest democracy, and you have a right to speak. You have a right to pick religion, whichever you want. You have a right to elect, protest, ask questions. Compared to North Korea or China, where people have no voice, Arab nations, where women have no freedom, Russia, where people are afraid to love. Yes, we have flaws, but we are better than many other countries. From poverty to standard of living, from hunger to malnourishment, from equal rights to minorities representation, we are improving every single year. Every single problem can be solved by the good governance, but there is one which can never be solved by any law. जी हाँ, हमारी गुलाम सोच, a judgmental thoughts, prejudices and comments. They not only bully or break the confidence, they take away the freedom of someone. If something is not right according to you, don't do it. But don't judge others for doing that. Don't be a part of left or right wing. Be the third one, which is a critic, not a hater. This Independence Day, let's take a pledge that we will not judge others and let everyone enjoy their freedom. But freedom comes with responsibility. So make sure that you do not hurt others while enjoying your freedom. Being free requires empowering yourself and helping others step out for a change. I wish we live in a country where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free. From Fantastically Liberated, I wish you a very, very happy Independence Day.